Hey YouTubers, thanks for joining my channel again. Today I've got some Monster Jam Mystery Trucks Series 1 and we're going to open up a few of these and let's see what's in these things. So we open it up. We've got the Mohawk Warrior. Look at that. Cool little dude. Look at that. There's the Mohawk there and cool little wheels. Look at that. So there's one. And you got the key. Let's see what's in the others. What have we got here? We've got Monster Mutt. What's a Monster Mutt? Oh, he's got a tongue because he's a dog, I suppose. Woof woof. Monster Mutt and the key. Alright, what have we got in this one? Well, you have Firestorm. Wow, Hot Wheels Firestorm. Oh, yellow key. And let's see. Oh yeah, there's a Hot Wheels Firestorm, this one. Cool. They say it's such cool little toys, aren't they? Little monster trucks. Oh, and I've got another one here. El Toro Loco. Another key. Oh, that's a bright yellow truck. Look at that one. They're all pretty cool. They've got lots of stickers. I reckon these are really cool. I've seen these before and rolled them. They're really, really nice. Look, Grave Digger. Got the Grave Digger. Oh, green truck. Green truck there. It's got a skull on there. So Grave Digger. And he's got a black key. Let's see what this one is. What have we got here? Northern Nightmare. Oh, that's good. I've got all different ones. Oh, he's got a red key. Pretty cool little truck. I've got a few more. That one's empty. Lucky last here in my little range. Here we have Maxed. Red truck. Cool. And a red key. Wow. Have we got some trucks here? So we've got plenty of stickers and plenty of trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.